Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's we are going to show you how to draw a hair. And I'm going to show you how to do it and explaining to you step by step. So here we are on IbisPaint and I already drew the model. Basically we're going to draw like this. First step is I'm going to draw the dot and then I make the random line like this. Those random lines are actually for the bangs. In here I remade it because I feel like my character are going to be emo. So yeah, I remade it. You know, when I first start drawing, the hair for the character doesn't even look good. I imagine it something like spiderweb when I make hair. And we make the hair that has volume, okay? If I don't make the hair has more volume, the hair will look like a wet hair. And then don't forget to draw the bangs, okay? If you see it right, the line is actually coming from the dot. Alright, this is the time to cleaning up some lines to make it look good, just like myself. Ha 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 ha. Alright, this is almost done. And it's time for flip the canvas. Oh my god, this is look terrible. I guess it's time for liquify. Also, liquify is the best tool I ever found. Okay, this is the last step, and it's time to draw the hair strands. So yeah, in this video, I put it the hair strands randomly. It's almost done, and yeah, that's it guys. And that's how to draw a hair. And that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on what tutorial should I do next. See you in the next video.